Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17T and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down. Let me just move it a little bit and find personalization. So here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and now you can follow two different paths, let's say. So if you want to, you can simply tap on custom here and you can tap on select. And as you can see, we will be transferred to the section where we've got different wallpapers. We've got our own photos, so you can just tap on it and choose your own photo and set it as a wallpaper. AI dynamic themes, themes, and bloom, nature, soft light, and more system wallpapers that are pre-installed on this device. You can also tap on find more, and you will be transferred to the themes. And here you've got some online wallpapers from which we can choose, and we will come back to this section, but I just wanted to show you another way of changing the wallpaper. I mean, it is pretty same, but I just wanted to share it with you. So here we've got our personalization section, and after scrolling down, you can see the themes also. So you do not really need to enter all of those sections, just like I've shown you before. You can just tap on online wallpapers. Of course, you need to have the internet connection, and I have no idea what happened right now. So again, remember about the internet connection, and you can just tap on online wallpapers here. All right, so here, as you can see, we've got different categories, so we can tap on it, and here we've got different, like, for example, quotes, patterns, nature. Here we've got hot options, etc. We can also scroll here, and here we've got also some oh, what a nice dark cat. Some options to choose from. So just give me a second, let me find the wallpaper that I'd like to apply, and I'll show you next steps. Alright, so if you're interested, I found my wallpaper in the patterns category. So all you need to do after finding the wallpaper is to tap on it, and now you can decide where you want to set it. So as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, now we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. And basically this is the same section that I've shown you at the very beginning of the video. So here we've got the lock screen. Let me omit it and focus on the home screen, because this is the title of the video, and basically you can see that the home screen is blurred. So if you're not the biggest fan of it, just tap on this dot icon, and now it is vibrant and sharp. So all you need to do here is to tap on apply in the right upper corner. Here you can decide whether you want to use the wallpaper carousel. I don't want to, so let me just tap on don't agree. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully, and now we've got those hamsters as the wallpaper. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.